Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. Today I'll have another episode of Rode Wireless Me and GoPro Hero 10 tips and tricks video, and I'll show you how to attach Rode Wireless Go Me on your GoPro Hero 10, Hero 9, or even it can be Hero 11 camera. So what happens, in order to do that, you're going to be using the both TRS cable. So for example, if you take a look at this one is TRS, which you'd attach to your phone or tablet or computer, and this is TRS. So don't use this one, use the other one, which is right here, and this one has both side TRS, like in 3 rings. So that one you're going to be connecting to your Rode Wireless Me, and then here you're going to be connecting to your GoPro Hero 10, 9 or 11. Now you're gonna have to use the GoPro Hero 9 audio 3.5mm adapter, which I have it right here. So let me just show you right here. So you can see that this is connected right here, and you're going to be needing a GoPro cage, which is right here. So there are different brands selling on Amazon. Unfortunately I don't provide any affiliated links, so you have to just get this after doing research online. But don't just buy Amazon before checking other sites. You may get discounts or lower prices from other online stores. So once you have the GoPro audio adapter connected with your Rode Me, which I have it right here, then you're going to be connecting the USB-C section of your GoPro audio adapter to your GoPro, and then you're going to have to change one setting, which I'm going to show you right now. So if you go to the settings, which is right here, preference, and then click on it, and then if you scroll down to, let's say, mods, which is right there, so I'm going to click on it. Now here you're going to see that media mod, a few options. So for example, you're going to see standard mic, powered mic, and then line in, and then let me just click here. Okay, so you have to choose the powered mic, because this is looks like Wireless Me is a powered mic. So I tried with the standard mic, but it doesn't work. So you're going to be choosing powered mic, and if you want a little bit higher volume, then you can even click on powered mic plus, but I don't think you need that, because the Rode Wireless Me has very good audio level. So it has gain assist, so it just controls levels automatically, so you wouldn't need the powered mic plus. So just choose the powered mic, and then let's say if we record now, it should pick up your audio via the via the transmitter, which I have it right here. So I'm just going to take this close to my mouth and start talking, and we'll record and see if it works. And let's take a look here. So I'm going to just keep this here for now, and just press record, and you can see it's recording. So I'm just going to take it close to my mouth. Hello, audio testing. This is Rode Wireless Me 1 2 3 recording GoPro directly using the GoPro audio adapter and TRS both sides cable. Sound testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is a test. This is a test. Okay, so I'll just leave it here, and I'll just shut it down or close it, and then let's see if we play and if you can hear the audio. So that way we will know that this is working. So I'm just going to take it close to my mouth. Hello, audio testing. This is Rode Wireless Me 1 2 3 recording GoPro directly using the GoPro audio adapter and TRS both sides cable. Sound testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is a test. This is a test. Okay, so I'll just leave it here. Okay. And I'll just so you can see that. Let me just close this. Okay, so you can see that it works. So that's how you're going to connect your Rode Wireless Me to your GoPro 9, 10 or 11. And again, the devices you're going to be needing, or the accessories, is going to be a cage, which is right here, and then there's the GoPro audio adapter, and then you're going to be using both sides TRS cable came with your Wireless Me. So for the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.